All right, welcome back, all my beautiful hair loss warriors, and for all of my other women out there who are looking to wear their custom units. All right, so now this individual already took her hair down, honey, because when you come to some of these salons, this takes on so much time when your hairstylist has to actually remove your hair, wash it, and shampoo it. But today, honey, my client was not playing. Okay, she said she gonna come prepared because she don't know how many clients I'm gonna have that day. So, anyways, we are now beginning trying to finish up her cornrows. And today we're going to be doing a completely glueless install, and I'm really excited about this. This individual client actually, child, she got me to bring back one of my styles that I used to wear. And one thing I like about it, this hairstyle is that the more that you wear it, as you wear it, the hair just gets more fuller and thicker, and it just looks absolutely amazing. Another thing about this actual hairstyle that is very, very, very good, and I may start advocating more and more for this style, is that it is completely glueless. Okay, honey? And when I say completely glueless, I mean completely glueless. Okay, not one hair strand was left behind. We did not have to use no any type of tapes or adhesives or anything like that. And this is going to work for the girls who do not want to damage their hairline any further. All right, so we added on a hair harness. One of the companies that we like to use typically is the Buddy. So we attach this hair system, honey, and we love this hair system because it keeps the hair very stabilized. It's going to make sure that her hair unit or her install does not be shifting around. And baby, look how long it took the weave doctor to dye this hair. Baby, this hair was jet black. We had to lift it all the way to for a good 3 hours almost. And baby, look at that girl. She gonna be looking like what's that little rapper, Ice Spice, out here in these streets. Okay, I absolutely love this hair. I am actually due for another unit. Some of my hair units, it was kind of inspiration for this style. And I may even put my original pick for this hairstyle at the end of this video. Since so many people be asking me about this hair, this is actually raw, complete raw, unprocessed Indian hair from the temples of India. Also, if you're interested in learning how to offer this hair to your clientele, inbox us if you want a authentic um, supplier for raw virgin hair. And baby, look at this hair. Child is giving La Vida Loca is giving Puerto Rican princess, okay? All right, so now we are actually sewing this unit down. I still can't, I just can't believe that we did a completely glueless install. She has a little bit of lace at the top of her hair. And I'm just going to probably start pushing this hairstyle even more because there are so many women coming to us. Child, they ain't ready for that glue. They are tired, sick and tired of wearing all that glue. All right, so now we're re-wetting this hair down. This hair it takes a lot of time to, get this curly hair together, especially when you first get it. We had to actually soak it in apple cider vinegar to seal the cuticle. When you're dealing with curly hair, you want it to look like your own hair. It takes some time for you to get these curls bouncing and behaving, okay? So, honey dogs and just that's exactly what we're doing. We're trying to drench this bad boy down. We done bleached the mess out of this hair, okay? And so we trying to revive it back to life. Now we're going by each section. We're having to shingle this hair. Now, when she goes home, she's not going to have to actually do everything exactly like this. But it's going to really, this way I find really just sets the curls and keeps the hair together when the client first get the actual hair done. And so now, what we're doing is actually, I can't remember if it's like called shingling. It's called probably a combination of doing shingling and also forming individual curls throughout each section. Now, some people even do this even more smaller than the weave doctor, but honey, the weave doctor ain't got time for all that. We got a bunch of other clients, and we didn't want to charge her for an additional service. But this is time consuming, so this is something that you can add on to your service, especially if you have the time to do it. It took me probably a good 35 minutes just to do this. And then on top of that, another thing that you might want to do, and the weed doctor probably needs to go back and find one of her air diffusers. It's really going to help these curls really look absolutely amazing. And the one thing about the curl diffuser, baby, you can dry that hair within 5 to 10 minutes. And so you see, we're going row by row, and I really love this hair. To me, it really mimics, women who have like loose curly hair. I would say maybe this is maybe like 3A or 3B hair. And so we just, you see us, honey. It takes some time. If you want to look good, baby, you got to take your time. Make sure your stylist is not rushing, or give your stylist ample time when you booking your appointment. And so now we're going through each section. We're using Cara Care wrapping mousse lotion. We love this mousse. It's excellent. And we did do, I believe it's a 10 leave-in conditioner prior to that, since we had to do a lot of bleaching to the hair. Girl, look at that. Girl, that look like a real person's head of hair. Okay. Honey, I cannot wait, child. My client, Ice Spice 2.0, gonna be looking amazing. Okay. So, the only thing about this hair, it does have to fully dry to get the full thick effect. We weren't able to get that today, but we were just, it's almost dry, but not quite. But we just wanted to show you the curl pattern of this beautiful hair and how it resembles real hair. All right, see you guys next time.